The purpose of this video is to teach you how to use a FM-ELD back-office account. To start with FM-ELD, you first need to register your account on our website. Open fmeld.com and press the Sign Up button. You will get the form that you need to fill in with the information of your company email address, company name, DOT number, and phone number. After you finish, you must verify your email. Search for the email sent by support at fmeld.com in your mailbox. By pressing Verify, you will confirm your email address, and the link will automatically direct you to your FM-ELD back-office account. If you see the main page with the map, you are successfully logged into your FM-ELD back-office account. To start using the FM-ELD services, you need to add a vehicle and a driver to the system. To add a vehicle, click Fleet button located on the menu bar on the left side, and choose Vehicles, then click the Add Vehicle button. Fill in the form. All the lines with star sign must be filled. The vehicle ID is your unit number. After you finish filling in the information, press Save to save it. On the Vehicles page, you can view the list of existing trucks, telematics, and the status of your truck. Next, to add a driver to the system, click on Fleet on the menu bar and choose Drivers. On this page, you can view the list of existing drivers you have in the system. To add a new driver, click the Add Driver button. Fill in the form. All the lines with the star sign must be filled. Driver ID is driver number, username, and password are the credentials for the driver's FM-ELD application. After you are done filling in the information about your driver, if you wish your driver to have the personal conveyance, the yard move and adverse driving conditions options enabled in the FM-ELD application, scroll down and check their boxes. Save the changes by pressing Save. To allow split sleeper berth rule for your drivers, please call the support or send an email to support@fmeld.com with the request. Please be informed that all companies' drivers will be allowed to use split rule. The setup is complete. Now your driver can log in to the FM-ELD application and start working. If you wish to learn how to use the FM-ELD application, please watch FM-ELD Android or iOS application tutorial videos by clicking the link down below on the description section. Now, you will be introduced to the other features of the FM-ELD back office. After you sign up for your FM-ELD account, you'll see a map labeled All Units on the main page. Here, you'll get a visual of all your resources, drivers, trackers, and cameras, each represented with their last known location indicated by their ping. Below the map, there is a detailed list of your units. You can filter information by drivers, trailer trackers, or cameras. You also can use the search bar to quickly locate any driver's name or unit. If you wish to send your driver's current location or geofence location, you can share the link via email. Open the By Units section by clicking it on the menu bar. Select your driver's name and choose the option Geofence. By doing so, you will receive a form to fill in. Enter the order number, location, and the geofence radius, an email, or the emails that you wish to have the link sent. Once that unit crosses the geofence radius plane, your customer will get an email notification that the unit is nearby. You can also use the Share button for sharing your driver's current location. When you send the link, the customer will be able to track the unit independently for the specified period. Informing customers and brokers about this functionality will help you acquire more loads and keep your current customer base satisfied. Additionally, on the By Units page, you can view your driver's behavior, driver movement over a specified period of time, and get the driving habits reports. To review your driver's behavior on the road, choose the driver by clicking on his name, specify the date range by clicking on the calendar icon on the top right corner, and scroll down to review the results. In addition, you can see the driver's movement highlighted on the map. If you wish to get the driving habits report, repeat the basic steps, go to By Units, from there to driver name, then calendar to specify the date range. Click on the Report button on the top right corner of the screen, and choose Driving Habits and press Generate. Next, if you wish to make an IFTA mileage report, choose the Reports section from the menu bar. On the Reports page, you can view your previously generated reports. To create a new report, press the New Report button, specify the date range, and choose the report type. If you wish to make an IFTA mileage report, choose IFTA mileage. Select your vehicle or all vehicles in all states, then finish your action by pressing Generate. System takes a few minutes to create a report. Immediately after generating the report, you will see the status pending. Please refresh the page and you will see the status done. You now will be able to view and download your report. Now, if you go to the Fleet section and press Driving Events, you can view the unidentified and unassigned driving events registered by the ELD device. On the page with driving events, choose the vehicle and event type and review the results. To see the daily driver logs, you need to choose the option ELD from the menu bar, and from the given sections, click on Logs. On this page, you can view your driver's 8 days logs. If you wish to see more days, specify the dates by pressing on the calendar icon on the top right corner. You can sort by the driver name or by the vehicle. To view the daily driver log, press on the driver's name from the list. If you choose the current day, you will see the hours of service clock, grid, duty statuses, the profile form that was filled by the driver on the FM ELD application, and whether the driver submitted the signature and DVIR. You can also get this information in a report format. Press on the Report button located on the top right corner of the screen. Now, if you got into an audit and received the investigation code from the DOT officer, you need to transfer an ELD data. In order to do so, from the left side menu bar, choose option ELD and transfer ELD data. On this page, click on the Send New Report button, fill in the form and press Send. Thank you for watching FM ELD back office tutorial, and we hope you enjoy using our services. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us 24/7 through live chat on our website or by calling 786-250-6333 or by email support@fmeld.com.